What's up, guys? Welcome back. Been a while. Happened to lose my memory card that had the last video stuff on it. Finally found it. So it's kind of a delay between videos, but as you know, that was slightly mentioned earlier, we picked up a 350Z that was rolled over, and yeah, it's gonna be our missile car, and I'm gonna roll it out here. Actually, move the truck, get it out. And we're going to start knocking out all the body stuff that it needs. I'm probably not going to really document any of that because, well, as you know, it's a wrecked car and there's a million videos on YouTube of how to replace panels. So for the most part, we're just going to get this started, and it's just going to be more of a before and after. Okay, guys, so I got the car pretty well stripped down. I just got to take out the quarter glass. And I think that's pretty much it. Quarter glass on each side. All the wiring and hose are done from the roof skin, so we'll just have to chop that off. This fender's off, hood's off. The doors are separated over there, and their skins are separated. Or say the door cards are separated. Alright, guys, so got pretty good headway on the car here. Didn't have to do anything with this door on this side. We did get driver door off. Had to switch the cards, the glass. What's that? Oh, it's not the right connector? Okay, I'm not mad.
It's okay. I can make it work.
It's okay. Well, yeah, we'll make that work. So anyways, we switched the good glass out of the broken door into our donor door and switched the cards because, oh, you gotta be kidding me. What's up, guys? Just an update here. So it looks pretty similar to what it did last time. We did happen to get our new door on, the glass switched out from the old door, which is actually over here in the scrap. We removed all the rear interior stuff because there was a rat festation in there, and it stinked. Well, still stinks, so that's cleaned up and been degreased for now. I'm working currently on getting the quarter glass out, which is kind of a pain because it has this molding on here that probably costs a fortune to get, and it's got a stud through here as well, so you can't just run like a wire tool to get that out, and that's kind of kicking my ass. Let's see, we did get all the old glass off here and have I guess since also realized that our A-pillar does not sit as flush as it should. The glass should not stick out that much and protrude, especially when you come from the rear. You can see it kind of has a very large gap. So, as we can tell, there's damage at least to this point of the roof skin and forward. And I also discovered that, I don't know if I can even get the camera to look in the right spot here, that opening should not be there. So this pillar has been bent in and separated there, so when we get it all cut off, we're going to align the new roof and then place all the other three corners where they should be, and then just kind of push this guy back to where it's supposed to be, tack it in place, give that a little love tap, tack that back in, and it should square out. But otherwise, I think it might have given my door a little tweak for the mounts, because when it rolled, this door did take in some damage, hence why we have another door on here. So we've not been able to get this to close. I mean, we shouldn't say perfectly, because down here it's fucking mint. It's like where it's supposed to be. Body line is just a smidge off. I don't know if the light will catch it just right here, but this gap here, hoping with the new roof on, it will close itself in, at least along the top and the side. But we may be having to drop this car off at a body shop and let them do a little magic on it. But we're going to do the brunt of the work as we have planned and make the best of it, because It's a $600 missile car, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's nice when your glass does not leak. Okay, so look at that gap. Way over there. If I can remember how I even zoom in with this thing. Oh, nope. Wow, it's been so long. But yeah, see, you see that big gap? That just ain't right. And now we have a convertible. Lifting the roof skin off of this by yourself is a pain. Trying to prevent it from falling all over the car, scratching everything. But here she is. We're finally to the stage of putting the new skin on, which is here. I need to remove the glass from the front. Here too, as the molding is on there. Probably the same on the other side. But yeah, that's it. This is just the spare fender that I have that needs to be manipulated with a hammer and some love. It's just literally thrown on there. More of like a test fit. So don't mind the huge gap there, or there, or there, or there. Yeah, there it is. We're almost there. We're literally at the halfway point. So now we have to fit the other roof skin on. Once that's fitted on with clamps and magnets, we will take this pillar and bend it back into place to where it should sit, you know, against that mirror and align with the new roof skin. And yeah, that's it, man. It's been a hell of a day. I've been out here since 9 a.m. The boys came over. They helped out for a bit, and I'm beat. I haven't drank anything. I haven't eaten anything. It is now 4 o'clock. That's pretty much a whole work shift. Yeah, that's it. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. So I'm gonna go do all that, move the car in the garage, and I guess next time we'll try and put this bitch together. See ya.